Welcome to the first video in the Rhetorical Situation series titled Purpose Analysis. When analyzing the purpose of the text, you want to ask, what is the writer's motivation to compose? For instance, when Martin Luther King Jr. wrote Letter from Birmingham Jail, he was motivated to liberate Black America from the shackles of injustice and racism through nonviolent means. Or let's take this Facebook page. LGBTQA supporters are motivated to exonerate an 18-year-old high school female who has been prosecuted for dating her 15-year-old girlfriend. When analyzing the purpose of a text, consider the writer's primary goals. Is it to inform, like a Wikipedia page? Is it to persuade, like a newspaper editorial? Is it to educate, like a textbook chapter? Is it to entertain, like a magazine? To complicate ideas, like a revisionist interpretation of World War II? Or is it to raise funds, like a grant proposal? When analyzing the purpose of the text, you want to examine the effects or outcomes of the writer's decision. First, examine what the writer used in his or her project. A personal anecdote, graph, historical information, counter-argument. And then explore what is the overall effect using these rhetorical devices. Does the reader lose focus when you wrote that 2-page personal anecdote? Do 4 paragraphs overwhelm the reader in your lab report? Does the use of a humorous tone engage the reader? Do your counterpoints appear too biased? Do the claims create doubt or belief in readers? In addition to analyzing the overall effect of the piece, consider the effect of individual choices made by the writer. For instance, if the writer stated that college freshmen are irresponsible with money, is this a hasty generalization, an example of logical fallacy? Or perhaps those few paragraphs that define 21st century poverty were a bit of a digression that could be reduced to a single paragraph. Or perhaps an essay needs better organization, or the voice in that grant proposal is too colloquial, or you need to establish better ethos by referencing trusted sources. In summary, when doing a purpose analysis, consider the writer's motivation, primary goals, and the rhetorical effects of his or her decision. A purpose analysis is just one piece of the puzzle within the rhetorical situation. When analyzing the purpose, also factor in the context, audience, genre, medium, and the writer's stance. For additional videos in this series, click on titles such as stance analysis, context analysis, audience analysis, genre analysis, and medium analysis.